Tim and Fuzz have taken on their first Japanese supercar. Kim's Nissan Skyline GTR was one of the fastest production cars on the road back in 1995, and it's a fiendishly complicated car to put back together. From that highly tuned twin-turbo, computer-controlled engine that fills Fuzz with fear, to its accident-damaged body panels, the boys certainly have their work cut out.
This car could be hiding a whole heap of problems.
A few of the major jobs that will need addressing include the car's monstrous exhaust pipe, which has been bashed so badly it will need serious attention. Meanwhile, at the suppliers, Tim is now hopefully assembling all the right parts for that super-sized exhaust.
Right, what is the first thing we do?
Let's get this faced. Okay. So we take the burr off so that we can bolt it up flush against the car.
Right, so the burr is just the sharp edging around the outside. OK, right. How's that?
Yep, that's OK.
Happy with that?
Yep.
Right, what's next?
Weld the pipe onto the flange.
Let's do it. All right, so that's now tacked on there. Next thing?
We've got to bend the tube to 20 degrees.
OK.
So if you put this in the machine, set the degrees to 20.
No way.
And that's your bend. Turn it a little bit.
That is gorgeous, look at that. OK, so we now have the shape of the silencer. We just need to fill it with stuff.
That's right.
Now, this stuff looks like loft insulation. This is basically the bit that's going to take away some of the noise from the engine.
Yep.
Right.
Pull that out. And then we put this in the middle.
Right.
Squash it down. And then the last thing, we weld the two end caps on.
So before you can shake a tailpipe, with a bit of welding here and there, a brand new bespoke exhaust comes into being.
Right, so hang on a minute. All we've got to do is weld this onto that, and then we have an exhaust for a Skyline hanging around.
Yep.
Now the clock has been steadily ticking, and with just one more day to go before the car goes back to its owner, there are still umpteen jobs that need doing, and an air of panic is starting to set in. In true car S.O.S. style, in the workshop, once again it's all hands on deck. The electrics are reconnected and tested. A new front bumper is fitted. Those iconic Nismo wheels are at last put back on.
Nismo is back in town.
Not even the tiniest job can be overlooked if this car is to go back in tip-top shape.
OK, lower it down. Carefully now.
Do you know what, Fuzz? I'm proud of this one.
I tell you what, rightly so as well. It does look pretty amazing.